Hey everyone, welcome. If you're planning a birthday that's all about festival vibes, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Coachella-inspired birthday decoration ideas. Think color, music, boho chic, and unforgettable memories. Whether it's for you, a friend, or your little one, this theme works for all ages. From outdoor setups to indoor transformations, we've got you covered. So grab your notepad or screenshot what you love. Let's turn your party into the ultimate mini festival experience. What makes a Coachella-themed birthday special? It's not just a party, it's a whole experience. A Coachella theme brings color, creativity, and a festival spirit to your celebration. It's about creating a vibe where everyone feels free, fun, and full of energy. From music to fashion, it's a mix of boho, glam, and wild artistic expression. This theme breaks the rules of traditional parties and makes everything feel alive. You get the chance to express your personal style in the decor and dress code. Can I do this theme indoors? Absolutely. An indoor space can still capture that outdoor festival feel. Use draped fabrics on ceilings to mimic tents and add hanging greenery. Decorate walls with desert-toned backdrops, streamers, and light projections. You can use artificial turf rugs and wooden pallets for that earthy touch. Add plenty of fairy lights, lanterns, and candles for cozy ambiance. Use mirrors, macramé hangings, and disco balls for texture and reflection. Don't forget to set up a corner for selfies or a photo booth area. Don't let space hold you back. Hit pause and screenshot your favorite setup so far. What color palette should I choose? Think sunset meets boho chic. Soft pastels with pops of bold tones. Rose gold, dusty pink, lavender, sand, mint, and turquoise all work beautifully. Add metallic accents like gold or silver for a bit of glam. Use natural materials like wood and jute to balance the brightness. If you're going for a more mature look, try earth tones with terracotta and beige. For a kid-friendly vibe, brighter pinks, blues, and purples look amazing. Coordinate balloons, tableware, flowers, and outfits with your color scheme. What should the guests wear? Think flowy, fun, and full of flair. Guests can rock fringe jackets, crop tops, kimonos, or bold prints. Accessories are a must: flower crowns, chunky jewelry, sunnies, and hats. Footwear can be stylish yet comfy: boots, sandals, or sneakers. Glitter makeup, temporary tattoos, and layered necklaces add extra sparkle. Let everyone know in advance with a themed dress code invite. Encourage them to go all out and express their festival fashion side. Drop a comment if you'd wear fringe, feathers, or florals. We want to know your style. How can I decorate the entrance? Set the tone right from the start with a dramatic entrance setup. A custom "Your Name Coachella" banner or neon sign makes a bold first impression. Line the walkway with boho rugs, balloon clusters, and lanterns. Add wooden arches with dried flowers or macramé hanging for texture. Use mini signboards to guide guests through different stages or zones. Scatter cactus props or vintage crates to bring that desert vibe to life. Create a mini red carpet moment with a boho twist. Any ideas for photo ops? Photo booths are a must. Go all out with themed backdrops and props. Use fringe curtains, balloon garlands, and flower walls to frame your scene. Set up teepees with cushions or hang dreamcatchers for cozy corners. Vintage vans or bikes with flower baskets add a rustic road trip vibe. Create signs with phrases like "Good vibes only" or "Live your fest life." Light up the area with fairy lights or marquee letters spelling festival. Make sure there's room for group shots and solo glam moments. Planning your photo area? Screenshot your favorite ideas and start sketching it out. What can I use for lighting? Lighting sets the whole mood, and festival lighting should be magical. Use fairy lights draped over tents, trees, or ceiling beams indoors. Add battery-powered lanterns and hanging bulbs for a rustic touch. Neon signs and colored LED strips bring the party vibe after dark. Glow sticks, fiber optic lights, or even disco balls add sparkle and fun. If outdoors, tiki torches or solar lights can guide paths beautifully. Play with warm lighting for golden hour vibes, or go bold with purples and blues. How about the cake table? Your cake table should be a showstopper. It's where all eyes will land. Decorate with textured fabrics, string lights, and cake stands at different heights. Use layered backdrops like fringe curtains, pampas grass, or a balloon arch. Place the cake in the center, surrounded by mini treats and boho accents. Add disco balls, candles, and fairy lights to give it a dreamy sparkle. Use wooden trays, gold cutlery, and dried flowers for an elegant boho twist. Coordinate the cake colors with your overall theme for a cohesive look. Ready to glam up your dessert station? Save these tips before moving on. What activities can I include besides dancing? Keep the vibe alive with creative and interactive festival-inspired activities. Set up a DIY flower crown station with faux flowers and floral wire. Create a bracelet-making corner or a paint-your-own canvas booth. Add lawn games like giant Jenga, ring toss, or hula hoops. Temporary tattoo bars and glitter stations are always a hit. How can I make the party feel like a real festival? Create zones just like a real festival: food area, music stage, lounge, and photo ops. Use signage to name each zone: main stage, VIP lounge, snack shack, etc. Hand out wristbands as guests arrive for that authentic festival feel. Hire a DJ or create curated playlists to keep the energy flowing. Serve drinks from a decorated hydration bar or juice stand. Use boho tents and lounge areas for guests to chill and mingle. Incorporate festival lingo and call it Coachella to make it your own. Bring the festival to life. Think of 3 custom zone names for your birthday bash. How can I stick to a budget with this theme? You don't have to go big to go bold. DIY is your best friend here. Use items you already have like blankets, fairy lights, and jars for decor. Thrift shops are great for vintage pieces, rugs, and props. Borrow speakers, projectors, and decor from friends and family. Use free design tools to make your signs, invites, and menus. Limit your zones. Focus on 2 to 3 areas like entrance, photo booth, and cake table. Spend more on statement pieces, and keep the rest simple but stylish. Budget-friendly doesn't mean boring. Save this list and get creative with what you've got. And just like that, you're ready to throw the ultimate Coachella-style birthday bash. From dreamy decor to glowing lights and chill vibes, the whole setup is yours to create. Remember, this theme is all about self-expression and having fun with the details. Whether it's big or small, indoors or outdoors, the vibe is what truly matters. Your party doesn't need to be perfect, it needs to feel you. So lean into the boho, the glitter, the music, and the magic. Get your guests excited, get your creativity flowing, and most of all, enjoy the process. You're not just planning a party, you're crafting an unforgettable experience. If this video sparked your imagination, let us know your favorite idea in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'd make this theme your own. Planning your birthday soon? You've got everything you need to start today. Tap that thumbs up if you're ready to bring the festival to your front yard. Hit subscribe so you don't miss more party perfect ideas like this.